Hey you guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to set up your portable hookah kit. So here are the items that you'll get in your actual kit. You see you have the flyer. You're going to have your stem. I'm going to show you how to put that together. As well as your quick lights. Super easy. And your custom shisha made by us, of course. It also comes with male long stem tips, a lighter, some tongs, and of course your hose. It has a grommet as well, but you'll see. So this is the actual hookah portable car cup hookah. This is pink. I love pink. So yeah, we're gonna rock with it today. All right, so as you see, the cup is the actual base. Very pretty. So we're just gonna go through all of the items inside of your cup. The holder for your shisha bowl. You're gonna have your valve connector and the actual shisha bowl. And there's the grommet. This is an LED cup, so party away. Now you're going to connect your stem to your stem filter. This ensures a smooth pull. Attach it tightly to the top. Fill the cup halfway with water. Actually, not even halfway, just enough to cover that stem filter. Add your hookah bowl. And you're going to put your shisha in this about halfway. Put it on top. And now you add one coal to the top. Easy. Now it's time to attach your hose. Gently put in your grommet and place it in the hole. Here's where you add your tip. And that's it. Don't forget to add your wonderful custom shisha. Trust me, you're going to thoroughly enjoy it. That's it. Enjoy.